Bohinj is located in the northwest of Slovenia. The region is called Gorenjska or Upper Carniola. Bohinj is a valley in the middle of Triglav National Park and Julian Alps. The biggest attraction is Bohinj Lake, which is a place for amazing fishes. The most known is Bohinj trout. This fish is known by their golden belly dots and it's the tastiest freshwater fish in our country. This is the local market, which is opened every Saturday. Here we can find local products from the people who live here. They also have their own brand Bohinjsko. Products are made with tradition, heart and hard work. On the market we can find milk products like Bohinj cheese, special young cheese Mohant, Bohinj curd, meat products like bacon jam, cured meats and other goodness. I am presenting to you local family fish farm Župan. With years of tradition, breed a Bohinj trout. They are also making some premium products like caviar and smoked trout. I am visiting the vocational school for catering, wellness and tourism Bled. I am lucky to study in the most beautiful place in Slovenia with the best opportunities to develop my knowledge and cooking skills.
Next to you. Nice to be next to you. Nice to be next to you. Nice to be next to you.
My name is Rok Žurman and I'm 21 years old.